Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about the stakeholders in business. First, let us see what is business. Business is any entity that their efforts are directed towards development of products and selling of their products or services. What is the meaning of stakeholders in business? The stakeholders are an individuals or a group who can affect or affected by the company's activities or the objectives of organizations. Okay, so there are different group of people who are influencing the organization or influenced by the organizations. So those group of individuals or groups are called as stakeholders of business, because these stakeholders play a vital role in the organizational performance. That's what we are going to discuss in this video. What is the critical role played by this stakeholders? Who are all those stakeholders? What is the role of those stakeholders in the business organization? So what is the importance of these stakeholders? See, if the company maintain a long-term relationship with its stakeholders, it can run more effectively and efficiently. That leads to better productivity and performance. That leads to more profits. So the long-term relationship among the stakeholders is very important for any business organization. And also the organization can get feedback from these stakeholders, and they can use this feedback for the product development process or product improvement process, so that the company can continue their success and earn more profit. And these various groups of stakeholders create like an informal community for an organization. So this sense of a community positively shape the organizational activities, and also it develop the organization that increases the organizational performance. Okay, and also their criticisms. In the previous point we have discussed the feedbacks not necessarily always a positive. There are some negative aspects might be mentioned about the organizational activities. So those criticisms can give the organizational an advantage to rectify those areas of weakness or the areas for improvement, so that the organization strengthen their internal processes and products, so that they gain competitive advantage in the industry. So this is the formal definition for stakeholders in business. The stakeholders in a business or any entity means an individual or in a group or an organization that is affected by the operations of that business in some way. So normally the stakeholders are employees working in the company, owners of the organization, that means management, and customers, because customers they buy or they avail the services, they are directly affected by the organizational products and services. These three groups are directly affected. So there are other groups of, they are indirectly affected or affect the organizations. They are competitors, shareholders, government, and the society in which the organization operate. So all these are called as stakeholders for the business organization. What is this role of stakeholders in business. They have the voting and decision making responsibility. Not all the stakeholders, groups of stakeholders are participating in. It's based on the policy and structure of the organization. Normally the shareholders, they play a vital role, or they hold a responsibility in voting, in selecting the board of directors and top officials, or in voting about some important decisions in the business organization. And they hold significant management positions, senior management positions, where they report directly to the managing director or CEO of an organization. And thus stakeholders also are responsible to analyze the financial performance of the organization, to identify how far the business is performing well, and they have to ensure that the investor should not lose their investment, so they can advise the organization on the financial performance of the particular company. And also they take cautious decisions regarding the environmental protection. So our business activities should not affect the social or environmental aspect, or they do have a little impact on the social or environmental aspect. So it should not be a threat to the society or the environment. Here I have listed the stakeholders of business. They are grouped under three categories. Internal stakeholders, they are within the organization, and the other group outside the organization, connected. Okay, so they are having a contact with the organizations. So they are in the third category. The first category, internal category, directors, managers and employees. And the external is government, local community, pressure groups and media. The third group, connected group, shareholders, customers, suppliers, advisors, consultants and competitors for the particular organization. Let us discuss one by one. First, let us discuss about the internal stakeholders. They're directly involved in the business of the particular organizations. So directors are the top management person. He actually lead the organization and supervise the overall activities of the particular organization. Okay, normally this director positions, they give guidance for the organizational activities. What they expect from an organization? So they work for salary and they get share option. They can buy the shares of a company, and they look for job satisfaction, because if the company perform well, many shareholders and other stakeholders get benefited and society also get benefited. So they derive satisfaction by better performing the organization, and they get the status. Okay, as being a director of the particular organization, they gain a social status and among the business community. And apart from salary, they get bonuses and incentives. Okay, the second group of internal stakeholders are managers, department level managers, general managers. These persons who drives the work of the employees in the organization to run the business effectively, to achieve the organizational objective. What a manager expect from the company? They expect salary and bonuses based on their performance. The aim is to make the profit or profit maximization. Okay, to create a wealth for the owner of the organization. And they have to retain the shareholders by creating confidence in them that the organization will continue to perform in a better manner so that they will get better return on investment. And of course, the main thing is growing the business. We have to continuous growth for the business. Internal stakeholders, third category is employees. Employees are responsible for day-to-day activities of an organization. So they have to perform their duties to achieve the organizational activities. Their expectations are they expect good salary, job security, good working conditions, and fair treatment. So there should not be any discrimination in the treatment of the employees, and other welfare benefits, health and safety, okay, safe working environment, and career growth opportunities, and knowledge and skill improvement opportunities. The second category is connected stakeholders. These people are related to business, core marketing, and economic functions. So the discussion on connected stakeholders and external stakeholders we will discuss in the next video, continuation of this video. Thank you.